Welcome to this video on deconstructing the deontology trap. We'll explore why relying on rigid rules can often lead us away from true ethical responsibility. Duty is often used as a shield. While ancient tribal rules were once necessary for survival, in our complex modern world, they can become a way to avoid the messy reality of difficult choices. Rigid rules can allow us to ignore the harm they cause. This creates a cycle where following a rule provides a false sense of a clean conscience, even when the outcome is destructive. Outsourcing your morality to a rulebook doesn't make you a saint. It turns you into an efficient cog in a system that you stop questioning, leading to potentially harmful consequences. Duty began as a biological mechanism to ensure tribal survival. Today, we often mistake this primitive reflex for a universal cosmic truth, ignoring its original, context-dependent purpose. Our internal rule-following software was designed for small, intimate groups. When applied to a hyper-connected global population of billions, this ancient approach inevitably crashes. Rules should be seen as useful tools rather than divine commands. When a rule no longer serves its purpose, a rigid adherence to it is counterproductive. It's time to update the software. Using duty as a shield is often just a form of lazy thinking. It's a way to escape the cognitive load of genuine responsibility by hiding behind a pre-packaged moral label. Comparing empathy with deontology, we see that while empathy is messy and biological, it preserves our humanity. Rigid deontology often leads to a hollow sense of superiority. The categorical imperative functions like a predictability algorithm. It bypasses our own judgment when faced with human pain, checking only if a rule is satisfied. A system that maintains order by ignoring human suffering is fundamentally pathological. Prioritizing consistency over people creates a dangerous and distorted outcome. Reality will always breach the fortress of rigid rules. The most critical, real-world problems often exist in the blind spots where those rules fail to provide guidance. True freedom comes from letting go of the illusion of moral certainty. Stepping away from the comfort of blind obedience allows you to rely on your own judgment. You cannot outsource your conscience. While abandoning the rulebook means losing your innocence and facing the burden of guilt, it gives you the dignity of owning your choices. Ethics is a messy, continuous practice, not a math problem. When the rulebook is closed, the real, often uncomfortable work of making ethical choices begins.